What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your closed community market in Steam. So let's get started. So first, head over to any of your browser and after that, search for the Steam's website, and after going to the Steam's website, simply click on install Steam at the top and install the Steam application. Now after installing, this is what the Steam application's dashboard will look like. From here, on the top at the left side, you can see the community tab. Hover to it and then click on market. Now, when you come inside the community market, you will see that your market is activated. This is because you need to communicate with the Steam's market by purchasing a game or adding funds to your Steam account. So to purchase a game or need to add some funds, go to the store and choose the game that you want to play or you want to purchase. And after that, add that game to your cart and proceed for payment. Like this, you can click to cart. After that, you will see the option of View My Cart. Click on it, and then the game will be added to your cart. On the cart, you need to add your payment gateway method, and then you need to pay for the game, and your community market will be reactivated. So this is how you can reactivate your community market on Steam. That was all for the video, everyone. Thank you for watching.